Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Zahra Abdul Samsun, TF19009. So I will present my project for BTE 2313 Computer Programming. So my project is about educational game. So the condition of the game, condition of win is answer all question. And if you lose if you answer one question wrong. So this is my flow chart to show the flow of the game, flow of the program. So we start, this is the main function. We start, declare our arrays, and then our first, then the next function is title function, and then we go down here. It's going to into a small loop. So this loop is going to be repeating until you answer all 9 questions. And then if you already answer all 9 questions correctly, then you win and it will end the game. If you answer it wrong, over here you check whether you're wrong, the answer is correct or wrong. If you're wrong, then it will show you that you lose and we end the game. But if you correct, it will continue until all 9 questions. So next, our draw function, choose function, check function, and they will run all this. And for the draw function, it will draw the 3 by 3 matrix of number 1 until 9. And each time you pick a number, it will cross out. Then this is the choice function. It's a selective. If you pick 1, and then if you pick 1, it will go through. If it's true, it will show that the square still showing 1. That means it will change that 1 into a x cross, and then it will just show you the equation. But if it already changed and you pick it again for number 1, then it will go down here. It will show you that you cannot pick the same number, and it will repeat it for the function for choice. It will go back on top. Okay, this is for the choice function. Then we got the check function. It will check your answer. If you pick for the first square, the number 1, and then you answer correctly for number 1, it will show you good job. If your answer is wrong, then it will show you that you are wrong, and then out will count, out will increase by 1, and it will return out to the main function. So the condition is if out equal to 1, that means you will lose. So this is the win. It will show you that you already won, and it congrats you. So that's all for my flowchart. Now I'll show you the coding. So I use only two processor. If you use arithmetic, then you have to put another processor like CMAP. And then this is the list function involved: void draw, void title, void choice, in check, and void win. So in check is different from the void because in will return back out to the main function. So it's return a number, so that's why we use in. And we declare arrays here because we want all function to receive it. If we declare inside a function, we have to return it back to the main function or return it to another function, so it's going to be hard, so easier to do it like this. And then we declare in for answer, out because it's going to be a number, and in for fin. Or for our arrays, I declare it as char because it's a character. It's only display the character for number 1 until 9. And then the while loop, the loop for the 9 question. If its fin is not equal to 9, then it will not go out the loop. But for the check out, if the check is equal to 1, the out is equal to 1, then it will return 0. Return 0 means that the program is successful and it will end it here instead of run it to the win function. Okay, so this is the title function to display user interface. Draw function, the loop I use for to create a loop. This is not a loop, but to create the 3 by 3 matrix. So it will show. I will have to show you in the output. So the choice function, if you pick a number, so like I told you in the flowchart, and then the check in, check whether your answer is right or wrong. It is a selective to return out back to the main function, and then function to calculate you're using. Okay, so to run the program, okay, so this is the user interface. You have to pick a number. Let's say we pick 1. So the question given, we put the answer correctly, and then we jump. If you pick 1 again, we show you cannot pick the same number because it already crossed out. So if you keep doing it, it will repeat the same thing. So you have to choose the next number and we display the next question. And if you answer it wrong once, then the program will end. Let's say 10 minus 8 is 2, but you answer 3. That means you are wrong and you lose. But if you answer it correctly, we keep going until you answer all questions. So 30 to 600, 2, 4, 180, 556, F, 7, 1, 8, 9. You answer all 9 questions, it's crossed out in 9. Then that means you already won the game. So actually, I create the game based on a tic-tac-toe. So like you put X and O, and then if it's all X, then you win. But I changed it into an educational game because I like math, and I use the concept of the array. So the first one, the draw, we use the selective kind to create it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 by 3 matrix. I think that's all from me. Thank you and have a nice day.